Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDeep Sidemount Trim Pockets in medium. So these are a quick and handy way of attaching and sort of moving your lead weight sort of somewhere else on your body, or at least on your sort of side mount system, or even just any system really. As long as it's got sort of 2-inch webbing, you can fit it there. So if you need to adjust your buoyancy, kind of your trim, your position in the water, but you need a little bit more sort of up over your shoulders, then you can fit these over your shoulders and fit some lead in there, so that way you can bring your head down, or vice versa. If you need it lower down, you can put it wherever you want. So you get a pair of these first of all, so sort of one for each side. On the inside, you can fit, they say 1.5 kilos. You might be able to squeeze a 2 kilo block in there. You do have a decent amount of space inside of that, and big sort of Velcro tab to sort of hold it in position. Holding it onto your system, as long as you have access to the end of the 2-inch webbing, you can fit this anywhere. You've got a tri-glider in here, you've got a tri-glider at the bottom, and you also have this sort of webbing loop as well. So thread it through all of that, and that's going to hold it exactly where you want it, and then you can quickly remove that lead if you need to. It's not quite quick release for sort of emergency dumping sort of lead, but if you are having trouble with your buoyancy, you can sort of ditch a little bit of lead, but it's not really made to be quick release. Sold in a pair, so you get 2 of them, so you can fit about 3, maybe 4 sort of kilos of lead sort of up on your shoulders or wherever you want on your system. They're well made, they've got a nice sort of finish to them. All of the sort of stitching and whatnot is done sort of really nicely. XDeep always makes sort of high quality products, and they use high quality materials as well, so they're definitely worth looking at. So yeah, 2.5-inch webbing if you've got some backplate and wing setup, or if you're diving a sort of side mount setup with 2-inch webbing, then these will definitely work. Thanks for watching guys, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.